So my name's Jon Pratchett and I'm at the KitPlus Show here in Manchester, and I've been doing a seminar on live streaming, and an important factor of live stream of course is encoding, and so I wanted to focus on quality encoders out there. What we ended up with of course is that Intonor is, in my opinion, by far the best quality H.264 encoder on the market. We've tested loads of different encoders with some really hard to encode content, and Intonor have always come out on top. And the beauty of the Intonor of course is that it's not just an encoder, it can be an SRT, it can be a recorder, it can be an NDI to SDI converter. It's endless what it can do. And so we talked a lot about how Intonor can be integrated into workflows in different scenarios, whether it's encoding, whether it's conversion, whether it's point-to-point links, whether it's even sending comms between one location to another, which is something that just only Intonor can do. So I would always say, have a look when you're looking at your encoders. Intonor is the way to go.